Kune-online shop la eSouth Africa ibizwa nge-Take a Lot. Take a Lot into yenzayo uyadeliver eSouth Africa kanye nasey'ngxenyeni ey'thize ze-Afrika. Ufana ne-warehouse but njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi online ufake i-order lakho ka-Take a Lot because kuney'mpahla eningi laphana ehlukahlukene. Kuney'ndlela-ke zokungena khona yokuthi usebenzisane no-Take a Lot. Uyakwazi ukuthi uma unomkhiqizo product amaningi, you go to Take a Lot and you register ukuthi ube yingxenye yamanye ama-supplier aletha impahla ka-Take a Lot. Then Take a Lot uyakustorishela aphinde futhi uthola ama-customers akudilivele. Impahla yakho uyifaka online, ithengwe ihambe South Africa yonke and nalezo y'ngxenye ze-South Africa. Ikhona iy'ndlela-ke zokungena khona ka-Take a Lot. Unomkhiqizo omningi, mhlawumbe ungaphezu kwama-customer akho onawo, awuwazi ukuthi uzowenza njani. Uyahamba uyorejista lapha, bawu-check-e nomkhiqizo wakho ukuthi kufanele yini ungathengisa lapha. Uma bewuvuma, you go a certain induction and then you make a deal after ukuthi urejistile, and then when uyawusupply umkhiqizo wakho khona uyawuletha nje, you-deliver, usune-space khona sokuthi unento oyilethayo khona from certain time. Awupheli umkhiqizo wakho lapho, kufanele uzazi ukuthi umuntu nje osebenzayo, usebenza hard, dependa nawe ukuthi umkhiqizo wakho uhamba kangakanani, nawe uyawubona ukuthi uzohamba kangakanani futhi, then uyaqhubeka ulethe laphana. In case mhlawumbe awunawo umkhiqizo, awunayo i-product ongayiletha but uyafuna ukusebenzisana no-Take a Lot, uyakwazi ukuthi uhlangane nabanye abantu abangazi ukuthi bazoyidayisaphi enye yempahla yabo. Igcwele yonke indawo, uyayithatha nawe uyise khona with an agreement nabantu abayenzayo leyo mpahla, then bayayihambisa lapha. Uma beyihambisa lapha, you made an agreement emva kokuyi-check no-Take a Lot ukuthi wena uzosupply leyo mpahla. Wena uphinde futhi wenze i-agreement nabantu abayikhiqizayo, that product or a brand leyo, and then you start supplying ilokhuzana impahla leyo. Now you are a supplier, to a Take a Lot. Uyakwazi futhi nokuyirepha, uthola abantu abazokuphekejela yona impahla i-right. There are also some companies yahlukene i-type of packaging oyenzayo, ezinye ziyabhoklishwa, ezinye it's different kind of packaging. Khona futhi nama-companies ayipackageayo impahla kahle nicely, ifike nje isi-presentable. Wena on the other side nawe uyaqala uya-advertise or uyayipromota impahla yakho, impahla yenu noma yakho, nawe uyipromota online. Usuwenza-ke lento ekuthiwa i-digital marketing. Phela ayigcini ku-e-learning phela, iningi izona iy'nhlobo zama-digital marketing, as long as wena unemkhiqizo onawo uwupromota online, that is digital marketing. Usuyawupromota-ke from time to time, uyasifila isitoko sakho laphana ka-Take a Lot. Isebenza kanjalo le nto, and yabona le plan or le ndlela yokusebenza i-right for i-youth yethu iphuma enzimeni, iphuma kuma-drug anzima. Asibonge nje ukuthi slowly bayaphuma kule zinto abakuzona, but uma bephuma abanayo indawo abazoya kuyona. South Africa ayihlomile ngamathuba emisebenzi. Bazothi bephumile laphana bazobona ezinye iy'ndlela engekho right ezobugebengu art, but uma beqala uba o-business people manje, benza izinto ey'njengalezo, ezona zinto ezingabaphilisa lezi. Not only i-youth yethu, nabanye bethu abantu abasebenzayo, ababa-professional sometimes, basebenza umsebenzi oqondile. It can be onesi, othisha, amaphoyisa, ama-security, ama-cleaner, and everyone. Naye unalo ilungelo lokuyenza le nto le, unalo ithuba lokuthi naye ayenze le business, ayiphushe, and then you supply the whole South Africa. Le information iningi la ithathwa khona. Sinento ebizwa noma sine-program ebizwa ngo-Digital Powerhouse. U-Digital Powerhouse kulezi nsuku une-Valentine, guys. Valentine yawo iyaphela ngesonto, so unama-prize okuthola le information and more, much more ekhona. Futhi nje le ngikhuluma ngayo itholakala ku-level 1 waka-Digital Powerhouse. Level 1 i-startup noma i-entry point yakhona, it's very affordable. Njoba u-Valentine especially u-50%, including i-admin fee, ubiza imali elangaphansi ko-8,000. Kungaba i-present yomunye wabantu obathandayo, or one of your kid, ukuthi baqale they experiment izinto bengakabi nayo indlela, mhlawumbe sengaba iyona ndlela yokuthi bayiphilise and baphilise nomndeni, bakwazi ukusapota umndeni wakho, ungagcini wena usuwedwa. Ungamthathela nje umntwana wakho. Digital Powerhouse le ngikhuluma ngayo. For more information ungaya nje lapha kwi-account yami, uzoyibona u-star sami, uzobona na ukuthi wenze njani ukungithinta. But zonke iy'nsuku ngiba nalento ethiwa live ku-TikTok ngo-9 noma ngo-10 ebusuku. Akukodwa lokhu, kuningi futhi ngeke athole lokhu phakathi kwale program engiyishoyo, u-level 1. Ngeke uthole lokhu kuphela engikhuluma ngayo, there's lot and lot more. Futhi nayo i-program ungaphinde uyirisele emva kuyithatha. Unezinto ey'mbili, qala lamabhizinisi noma le bhizinisi engikutshela ngayo osebenzisana no-Takealot. At the same time nayo futhi i-program uyayithengisa ngakwelinye icala. So ungangabazi, this is your chance, and ukhumbule iyaphela ngesonto i-chance le.